Hi everyone, I so appreciate you stopping in today. I have another advent calendar, and this is also the Created for Macy's 25 Days of Beauty advent calendar. Let me pop this off because this is going to create some glare. We'll put that on the floor. $99, $277 value. You know I would never pay that. This was $49.50. Definitely worth it. I did grab my phone so that I could tell you the price. I have some tools out here to help me open this. So this one opens up like this. Oh, I'll lift it up and show you right here. And on the back, it does give you a little list of, we have a bounce back card. I don't know what that means. And these are all scattered. I guess I should ask you guys, like you can see number one right there, it's down here. Just going to start opening. I don't know any other way to do this. I will show you to the best of my ability where they're at. Let's see if I can. So this product is from Lancome Advanced Genifique, and this is a youth acting concentrate. Always happy to have that. Put you back. Number two, I just spit on the box. I wish there was an easier way for this. Number two is right here. Maybe I can do these upside down so I don't have to flip the calendar all over the place. These are, I have my scissors. I'm going to do my best not to get cut this time. From Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. Right here. And these will mostly be samples, and that's okay. Happy for that. I think I've tried that in the past. Let me see if I can find number three upside down. Yep. Ugh. Number three is over here on this side. So I'll try to keep it upside down so that I can. Oh, good. Let me see if I can get this out. I love this product, and this is from Philosophy, and this is Purity. It's a one-step facial cleanser. I have samples. I have this size bottle, and I have the huge pump. And then I refill these. These are so much easier to keep in your bag, to travel with. I swear by that product. I love, love, love Purity Made Simple. It's a great facial cleanser, gentle, and it gets everything off. Number four is right here. Okay, so we've got a little pot here from Percone MD. High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. It's going to be a little tiny thing. There's probably not going to be much in here, but oh, there's still a good amount. I've tried this before. Nice. So that's a high-end brand. Let me just see at spot number 5 right here. Upside down is not as bad as I thought. And we have from Tony Moly. This is another K-Beauty brand. Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream. Nice. Been loving using some retinol lately. Let's see. The 9's going to look like a 6, but number 6 is right here. I love doing calendars. Like I said in the past, I could never do one day at a time. That would... Oh, this is a lipstick from who? Urban Decay. Vice. This is a high impact lipstick, and I have Back Talk, and it's a matte. Ooh, how exciting. I don't think I own any Urban Decay lip products. Here's the little lip. Oh, and it's a perfect color right there. Let's give that a little swatch. I don't like to. Oh, that's perfect. Awesome. That feels nice. Well, I'm excited. Don't have Urban Decay. And this is all going to be brands that they sell at Macy's, by the way. Number 7 is right here. Okay, from Sunday Riley. CEO, 15% vitamin C, brightening serum. I have full sizes of this, but always happy to have a sample. Nice. How was this in there? Like that. So that was number 7. Number 8 is right here. Oreos, just like all over the place. Oh, nice. Telling you, nice stuff. Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder. I think I have a full-size one, and this is Original Translucent, so that's good. That's good travel right here. I'll open it. I know it's got a seal on it right here, so it's a translucent powder. Great for travel. Great just to use. What number was that at? Number 8. Okay, let's put you back in. I'll pull my sleeves up. I thought it was going to be cold today. It's going to be in the 50s. Tomorrow we're going to be 60. I'm like, really? So that was 8. So number 9 is down here at the bottom. I've done this. Oh, I've done this before. I've done the 12. I don't know if I did the 12 day before. I know I did. I did one of them last year. How nice. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. So not all like brands you've never heard of. This is going to be a tiny one. Look at that. Look how tiny. But still, I'll open this one to let's see how big the... I struggle with these little tiny tubes because I can't turn them. Let's see. Well, that's a massive. I mean, that's like the size of the bottle right here. You can see it. I might use that one right away. That's kind of a big brush. I wish they'd be like smaller brushes. I don't generally like the big, massive brushes, but so that's number 9. Where are you? 10. 10 is up here. I love this calendar. So far, so good. 10. Oh, okay. I'm not mad at this either. Yeah, without hurting myself. I don't know. This is tight fit. This is from Clinique. Moisture Surge. You know, your moisturizer. I love Moisture Surge from Clinique. Ooh, okay, hard to open. I'm pretty full. I like the one that has the little, like, beads in it. The little bubbles or whatever you want to call it. But that's nice. I like Clinique. I used to use Clinique all the time. And only Clinique. And then got into all these other brands. Number 11 is down here at the bottom. Let's see. Okay, we've had this before in like Ipsy and stuff. Verb Ghost Oil. Nice little sample, and it's got like your pop top so you can get it out. Oh, I'll get back down there. So this is a great, this is a hair oil. But sometimes your ends are going to get dry before anything else, so I'm happy to have that. 12, where you be? In front of my face and I'm not seeing it. Why don't I see 12? I'm trying to find stuff upside down. Maybe that's the problem. Where is 12? Oh, a tiny one right here. I'm going to turn it around. Ugh. This one is easier to get the stuff out of. Some of them are difficult. What do we have here? This LMS. The Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So we have LMS. Here's your cleansing balm. And this is a true balm. It's sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed. I have a full size of that. So that's 12. Where is 13 is going to be over on this end of the book here. I'll keep that upside down. Easier than I will have to. Oh, okay. Wow. You have a product from MAC. I would love a MAC lipstick in here. MAC Fix It Stay Over Long Lasting Setting Spray. Nice. Nice. So number 14 I saw over here. Over on this side. Do you guys like advent calendars? Do you like when I open them? Do you not care for them? I would love to know. From Kiehl's, the Ultra Facial Cream. I've had this before too in the past. I cannot. Oh, I did. The smaller the jars and products, you know, that's like half. But that's okay. Just to try it. They're just, you know, little samples. Oops. I almost dropped you. I'll put you back down. So that's 14. 15 is right up here. I know I've been asked in the past, like September-ish, are you going to do any advent calendars? I'm like, at that point I didn't know, but of course I always do. From Cella, Hello Beautiful, little tiny palette. I don't know if I have this one. There it is. That's a nice neutral. Nice. I'm not going to swatch. I might share that just because I have so many palettes. 16 is over here. Let's see what that is. Okay. Yeah, you definitely need help to get these out. That's why this, hence this, what I got it. Hence the scissors. I'm not going to open them though, because that's how I got stabbed. This is from, oh, I cannot see that. Dr. Andrew Wheel Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. Wow, it's a lot for a little bottle. Okay, I don't think I've ever tried that, but we will give it a try. 17 is dead center here. What are you? From Reza Be Obsessed, Love My Leave-In Conditioner. Nice. Not mad at that. Love My Leave-In Conditioners. So that was 17. 18 is over here. Pot, who you're from. From Buddha, Charcoal Detox Mask. I will share that. I won't use a detox mask. 19 is over here. Almost there. I would open hundreds of these if I could afford them. They're just very expensive. Now, this is pretty awesome because we got a Macy's box. I can't get this out. It's glued. Look at that. Oh. From Shiseido, and this is the Power Infusing Concentrate. Now I have more than one. Love them. We'll put you back. 19. Where's 20? 20 is down here at the bottom. We have from Peter Thomas Roth. This is Skincare Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Hyaluronic Eye Gel. A little tiny tube, but good to try. 21 is right here. I so wish I could get every calendar out there and open them and just do them the whole month of December. From First Aid Beauty, Ultra Repair Cream. Love this for hand cream because I have so many other creams and moisturizers. Use this on my legs, my elbows, my arms, my hands. Works wonderful. 22 is right beside over here. I mean, you could easily spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on calendars. And these have them like little blue things in, so I guess they don't go around. I'll have to get that off. And this is from the Beauty Crop Lip and Cheek Tint right there. And you can see the little glue dots. So we'll put that back in there. 23 I thought was over here. Yep. Looks like another tube. It's down here. In there. Great calendar for the price. Okay. Ahava 24 karat gold mineral mud mask. Probably won't use that. I'm not a fan of Ahava. I usually share that with family. 24 and 25 are up here right next to each other. So we'll open them. So 24 is what? Looks like a perfume. Little bottle of perfume. I'll have to see what that is. Let me see if I can look on the back. Let's close you up. Let's see. Got that. That. Philosophy. That. Just trying to see who the perfume is by. That could be Carolina Herrera, Good Girl. That was, I think that was supposed to be in here, so that's what that could be. And 25. Oh no, that's not it. So what is 24 then? It's Cacharel. Yes, I Am Delicious. And then the next one is Carolina Herrera. You guys are not going to believe this. You guys are not going to believe what's in this box. How can I get this out? I don't want to ruin it. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to. I have to get it out. Oh, I got it. Look. Look. Oh my God, they gave us a little mini, this is Good Girl. I figured they would give us a bottle like that. I knew this one was in there. I love it. That is awesome. So that's all of them, right? Did I open them all? And then we have bonus. What does this say? Right, they're all open. Yeah. Bonus bounce back card. Let's see what you are. $10 off your next purchase. And this is good till February of next year. I really probably should cover that up right there. So that's nice. And I got one in my other calendar. Probably the one I'm most excited for right now because I did not know they were going to give it to us like this. Ooh, is right here. The Good Girl. Carolina Herrera Good Girl little bottle. Ooh. I only have samples. So I am so excited. What did you think of this calendar for $49.50? It's right here. And on the back, it does tell you each brand. That's how I was able to look and see. Carolina Herrera Good Girl Eau de Parfum. And the other one was Cacharel. Cacharel. I'm not sure how to say that. Yes, I am delicious. And that is just says fragrance. Love it. Let me know your thoughts on this. Did you get any advent calendars for yourself? Did you get them for gifts? Did you make one? I know one of my subscribers and friends here was making an advent calendar for, I think, for a family member. So, which I think that's a great idea. You can really affordably buy an advent calendar, or you can just make it yourself. You can be creative, get little boxes, and, you know, you could do stuff. I so appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.